Welcome to Gold Fever Adventures. I'm Jack Tucker. He's done a lot of work around here. They've moved a lot of material. But they've left a lot of, look at all that material they left down the bottom of all this bedrock right here. Look at all of this. All this right here in the bottom. They left all this. I don't have to get this out of here. I gotta clean this out. They left all of that. They left a lot of gold behind.
A lot of living and loving, paying the bills, keeping things real, man, you know the deal. But when it's time for me to unwind, I gotta go someplace where the sun can shine, and there ain't no better place than out in the country. There's gold in them hills, and I'm gonna find it. It's a sight to see. You can't believe how the color of gold makes you lose control. Well, there's gold in them hills, and I've got.
So I'm up here, an area where we call Gold Mountain, and I just wanted to come out here and do a little bit of investigation, see what people's been doing all winter long. It's summertime coming on, and everybody's leaving, going home. So I was interested in what kind of working they've been doing. So I came up here. They've left a lot of gold behind. Somebody came into camp. They said they never been in the desert, so brought them out here. We'll show them a treat, what desert prospecting is all about. So out here in the Arizona desert, and you never know who you may run across out here in the middle of nowhere. Oh, look at that!
Hello, Jack.
What's happening?
Oh, hey, you didn't tell me it was going to be hot out here. I'm from Minnesota. I'm going to melt.
What's your name? Where are you from? Minnesota?
Minnesota Joe from Minnesota.
Joe from Minnesota.
Absolutely.
Sweet, man.
Came down to visit Jack. He's going to show me how to work a dry wash. I've never worked one before. And he's been working the last day or two in the wash out here, and he showed me how to locate the gold in the desert. That's why I'm here, because Jack's the guy to go to.
Yeah. Your buddy's up there on the hill.
He's up on the hill there. He's got a white dot up on the hill.
Let's see if I can zoom in on him. What's he doing up there?
I think he's looking for hot rocks or that nugget. He wants that nugget.
Yeah. He's
got a pinpointer. He'll go turn over every rock.
All right, he'll be there for a while then, because there's a lot of rocks up there.
Yes, indeed.
So what I'm going to do is get a vacuum, and I'll do some crevicing and vacuum up a lot of this bedrock and the cracks. And then I got a new dry washer, a Royal dry washer, that I'm going to hurry and run the material through that dry washer. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. When you're looking for these areas, you like the low spots, because gold's always going to go to the lowest spot. So whenever you're vacuuming, follow the bedrock down to the low spots, because that's where the gold's going to travel, to the low spots. But all of this in between this bedrock, look at all that right there. That all holds gold in there. All those cracks, that's what I'm going to suck up right here. I'm going to suck all this stuff here up. Look at that all. I smell the gold, yellow gold, I smell it. got a couple buckets of dirt. Now I got to get them up there, run them through a dry washer. We'll see if there's any gold in there. You never know. So this is a brand new Royal dry washer. Haven't even used it. First time in use. We're gonna see how good this works. All right, so I've got some gravel, some from vacuuming down there in the cracks down there. So we're gonna run it through this dry washer now. Maybe we might get lucky and find some gold. You know, you never know where the gold is. It could be in that spot. It could be a little higher up or a little lower down. You don't know where it's gonna drop out at, but if it's in that spot, I can always go widen it and go deeper or whatever, but we're going to test it right there. This is just a test. Keep in mind, it's just a test. So if there's no gold, don't be yelling and screaming. Don't always find gold, but let's go see if we can find some anyway.
Get out of the bucket run.
Well, so we got the dry washer done, ran 2 buckets. We got it out of 2 kind of separate areas, so we'll go back to camp and we'll pan it out. We'll see if we got any gold in there. So you never did any desert prospecting before, huh?
No, sir, I haven't spent much time in the desert at all. I mine in Minnesota and Alaska, North and South Dakota, but not here.
Not in Arizona, not in the desert.
Not in the desert.
Oh, there's your compadre. He made it down here now, huh?
Bill Ripley.
He's down there checking the cracks with his little pinpointer. Nice big mine right there. Dang, it's windy. Dang, it's windy. Okay, because you never know. Like real safe stand there. Man, I can't believe how windy.
So windy over here. This is the first of the concentrates out of the wash you vacuumed up. The second bucket will be that hole that you sucked out of. Plug that up. Down to the nitty-gritty.
That was out of that hole. One spec. black sand. The other hole, that deeper hole, had more just like silt in it. This has, you can see all the rocks and heavy black sand and stuff in there. This is how you can use the gold, that black sand. A lot of times it can be heavier than the gold.
Stay put. Swirl.
Right there.
Richard Redmond down there does a swirl technique too.
Right in the top.
There's like one speck there, just right there.
That's where all that cacti are up on that teddy bear. Yeah. Right there. That's all there is. Just little fine stuff. Nothing heavy, nothing big. Well, crap. We didn't get the gold that we wanted to. It's always nice when you get gold, but you don't always get it. Not a guarantee, but hey, get out there, give it a shot. Anyways, we tried. Got to show these guys what desert prospecting is all about. Anyways, you guys get out, create your own adventure. So please like, share, and subscribe. Appreciate all you guys. So until our paths cross again, you guys all take care. Have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching, everyone.